Welcome! In this video, we'll learn how to embed YouTube videos into your Canva design. To start, find the YouTube video you want. Copy the URL and return to Canva. Paste the URL by pressing Command or Ctrl+V on your design. Once added, you can manipulate the video as before. You can rotate it, position it, and even overlay graphics or elements to enhance your design. Options like opening in a new tab, duplicating, and more are available by right-clicking. That's it! You've successfully embedded a YouTube video into your Canva design. Thank you for watching.